No, because these stairs aren't sentient beings. You can't sue them. That's why it's funny. It's a play off of America's corrupted judicial system. You're dumb! Shut face!
Hey, Tim, what you doing?
I was thinking about going to eat. What's up?
Can you actually edit this video for me? There's been some problems with the audio part.
Problems as in...
The audio part of the video file is kind of corrupted. Yeah, so, I'll see you after dinner. Adios, man.
Looks like little UFOs in front of the screen. Yeah, we're the two main characters. See, those are the bad guys down there. We're going to live till the end. Trust me. Let's kill him. Run behind the trees! Do it again for some reason! How could them hear me over the gunfire? Drop as well. Whee! I win! Now you wouldn't kill a harmless main character, would you? Oh, he would. Yeah! Super explosions! That was it? That was crap.